Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your voice on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this record button and I'm just going to press this red button and start recording. And basically you're just going to say anything you want really to it, and you're just going to press the stop button here to end your recording. And I'm just going to close this, and then I'm just going to adjust the volume a little bit, like so. Then I'm just going to kind of zoom out a little bit so I can show you guys. Then I'm going to add in the voice effects by selecting voice effects up here, well down there. Then you can choose from these options. I'm just going to select Chipmunk for mine, and you can adjust the pitch and the timbre here. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but this is what it is going to sound like at the end.
And basically you're just going to say anything you want really to it,
And that is basically it. Really is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!